Hello dear learners, in this video I am going to solve question number 7 of exercise 8.2 of general mathematics. So question number 7 is that AB is a triangle right angle at C. A line through the midpoint M of hypotenuse AB and parallel to BC intersect AC at D. Show that D is the midpoint of AC. We are given AB is a triangle right angle at C. Suppose AB is a triangle right angle at C, no? Suppose this is a triangle, a right angle at C, so this angle is right angle C, and this is the hypotenuse. So ABC is a triangle where C is 90 degree, that means right angle at C. A line through the midpoint M of hypotenuse AB. AB is the hypotenuse and M is the midpoint. M is the midpoint. A line through midpoint M, hypotenuse of hypotenuse AB and parallel to BC. A line is passing through M, that means through the midpoint of AB and is parallel to BC. This is a line. Intersect AC. Intersect AC at D. Intersect AC at D. That means this point is D. No, we have to prove that, show that D is the midpoint of AC. We need to prove D is the midpoint of AC and MD is perpendicular to AC. This MD is perpendicular to AC. Again, CM is equal to AM is equal to half of AB. That means this CM and AM, that means this CM. So we will join it later on when we will solve 3 number. First of all, we do 1 and 2 number. When we will solve 3 number, then we will join CM. So first of all, what are given? Solution. So we are given in triangle ABC, angle C is 90 degree, M is the midpoint of AB and MD is parallel to BC. So to prove, there are 3 proofs. First one is D is the midpoint of AC. D is the midpoint of AC. 2 number, MD is perpendicular to AC. MD is perpendicular to AC. And 3 number, CM equal to AM is equal to half of AB. These 3 things we need to prove. So first of all, 1 number, let's see 1 number. Proof 1 number. In triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of AC. D is the midpoint of AC and MD is parallel to BC, no? So we know that when a line pass through the midpoint of one side and that line is parallel to the third side, another side, then it bisect the third side. That means in this triangle, if we see M is the midpoint of this side and a line is passing through this midpoint which is parallel to BC, so it will bisect the third side. So we can write, therefore AD is equal to DC, or D is the midpoint, no, or D is the midpoint of AC. Why? You will write here, a line passing through the midpoint of one side parallel to another side bisects the third side. bisects the third side. Here you have to write these things. That means when a line passing through the midpoint of one side and that line is parallel to the another side, then it will bisect the third side. So this is why D is the midpoint of AC. So one number is proved. Let's see two number. Yes, one number. For two number, what we need to prove? MD is perpendicular to AC. Now see, since MD is parallel to BC, no? So since MD is parallel to BC, then this angle and this angle, if we consider AC or DC as transversal, these two are parallel side and this is the transversal, then these two are anterior angle in the same side of transversal or co-anterior angle or consecutive anterior angle. We know that in case of parallel lines, the sum of consecutive anterior angle is 180 degree. So we can write therefore angle C plus angle MDC is 180 degree. You can write sum of consecutive anterior angle. Sum of consecutive anterior. So we know C is 90 degree, so here we can put 90 degree plus MDC 180 degree. That means MDC is equal to angle MDC is equal to 90 will go this side and subtract from 180, that is 90 degree. So since MDC, this angle is 90 degree, then MD is perpendicular to AC. Very easy. Therefore MD is perpendicular to AC. So it is proved. So now we have third number proof. For third number proof, so in third number, what we need to prove? CM. This CM. Now I am connecting this CM. This is not construction as it is given in the question. CM and AM are equal and are equal to half of AB. No. First of all, we have to show that CM and AM are equal. Then we will show that these two parts are equal to half of AB. So to show CM and AM equal, CM and AM, if we want to show these two sides are equal, then we have to consider these two triangles, and if we can show these two triangles are congruent, then we can prove that these two sides are equal. No? So considering these two triangles, so in triangle ADM and CDM, no? Why I am taking in this order? A and right angle, no? Then M. So here C and right angle. In this way we have to take, no? Since these two sides are equal, so these are in same order, MA and then MC, no? So now see, in these two triangle, if we want to show, say AM and AD and DC are equal. Why? Because this is the midpoint of AC. We have proved this thing in question in one number here. This is the midpoint of AC. No? In one number we have already proved it. So we can write AD is equal to DC. From triangle ADM, AD is equal to DC. Why? Since it is equal to DC, because D is the midpoint of AC. Next, see this, since MD is perpendicular, so this angle, these two angles are 90 degree. So we can write angle ADM and angle CDM. Angle ADM is equal to angle CDM, and both are 90 degree. No, that is why they are equal. And see, MD or DM is the common side for both the triangles, and dm is equal to dm common side, so we can say that these two triangles are congruent by what criteria? By side angle side. Here hypotenuse is, although 90-degree angle has come here, but hypotenuse are not equal. We have not shown the hypotenuse are equal, so we can't say this one is RHS. RHS criteria means right angle hypotenuse one side. Here right angle comes, one side also comes, but hypotenuse does not come, so we cannot say this is RHS. This is side angle side criteria. Therefore triangle ADM is congruent to triangle CDM by side angle side criteria. No, since these two triangles became congruent, then now we can say that CM and AM are equal. Therefore CM is equal to AM. No, CP CT. No, give it equation number 1. Again AM is half of AB. Why half of AB? Because M is the midpoint. M is midpoint. No, AM, this AM is, we can write AM means half of AB. Why? M is the midpoint, so midpoint bisect their side in two equal parts, so AM and MB are equal. No, so AM can be written as half of AB, so AM is equal to half of AB. If we give it equation number 2, so AM is equal to half of AB. From 1 and 2, equation 1 and 2, AM is equal to CM, then CM is also equal to half of AB. No, so from 1 and 2 we can write, from 1 and 2 we get CM is equal to AM, and they are equal to, since AM is equal to half of AB, CM is also equal to AM, so half of AB. That's it. So this chapter is finished. Thank you.